Exercise number 1, cable lateral raise. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Let's fire up those side delts. Stand tall, grip the cable, and raise your arm out to the side with full control. No swinging, keep the movement clean and powerful. Feel that shoulder burn and stay locked in. Exercise number 2, dumbbell Arnold press. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Bring the dumbbells up, rotate, and press overhead with strength. Control the movement all the way down and keep your core tight. This hits every part of your shoulders. Stay strong and keep pushing. Exercise number 3, dumbbell bent over rear delt fly bench press. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Hinge forward, arms hanging down, and lift the dumbbells out wide. Squeeze your rear delts at the top and control the return. No momentum, just pure shoulder isolation and clean reps. Exercise number 4, cable front raise. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Grab the cable and lift straight up to shoulder height. Keep your arms firm and core engaged. Slow on the way down, feel that front delt activation with every rep. Exercise number 5, dumbbell seated shoulder press. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Sit strong, dumbbells at shoulder level, and press straight up with power. Lock in your form and control the descent. This is your strength builder. Finish the set with confidence.